It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, June 12th. I'm James Spann. We're getting into a moist air mass. We'll have the chance of the random air mass storms every day for a while. Better chance, of course, during the peak of the daytime heating process. And could there be some tropical mischief next week? Let's go in there and check things out. Water vapor satellite view early this morning. Big, cold upper trough in the western states. But around here, an upper ridge, moist air. And that means a few scattered storms about later today. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the low to mid 70s. The one spot below 70 is Decatur. They've got 69. High today should be in the mid to upper 80s in most spots. Around the nation, back in the trough, it's pretty cold. We're seeing some 30s over Nevada. But a tongue of warm air coming up to the Great Lakes with lows in the 70s early this morning. There's the watch warning map, pretty wild out west. We see some winter weather advisories for parts of California, Nevada, and the mountains, and then an excessive heat watch down in the deserts around Phoenix, and flash flood watches for parts of Montana and Idaho, but the eastern half of the country is quiet. A moderate risk of severe weather, where Wyoming, Nebraska, and South Dakota all come together. But down here we have green. That means the chance of thunderstorms today, but organized severe weather not expected. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk up north. Scattered storms here, and on day 3, Wednesday, a risk of severe weather well to the north. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms. Organized severe weather typically doesn't happen in summertime down here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And as we often point out, it's pretty hard to draw these because of the random scattered nature of the storms. But generally speaking, most spots have a good chance of getting at least 1 to 2 inches of rain between now and Monday morning of next week. And the tropics for the next 5 days, very quiet. But beyond that, there could be some mischief down in the southwestern Gulf, as you'll see. So here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. Big cold trough in the western states. And around here we have an upper ridge. Down below that for us, a partly sunny day, a few spots, maybe getting a thunderstorm this afternoon or this evening. This is the high-resolution HRRR model, and we stress the radar will not look like this, but just an idea. This is suggesting the higher coverage of showers and storms could be east of Birmingham and south of Birmingham. But again, everybody has the chance of getting wet today. Better chance about 2 p.m. until 9 p.m. They fade away after that. And that's going to be the story for a while. This is tomorrow. The GFS really not showing much, but again, I don't see any main difference. So again, we'll have some sun during the day and the chance of scattered showers and storms. This is Wednesday. Thursday, moisture seems to be a little deeper, and Friday. So it could be the higher coverage of scattered storms could be later this week, maybe Wednesday through Friday. But again, every day they'll be out there. And every day high should be in the mid to upper 80s. What about the weekend? No change. And understand it, people look at these apps and they see these big thunderstorm pictures. We have a chance of an afternoon storm almost every day in summer. This is just what you expect here. You'll see some sun. High Saturday, upper 80s, and the same thing on Sunday, although this is suggesting the air could be a little drier. Go to Monday of next week. You've got a flat ridge down here. The main westerlies are up north, and it's the same thing. The chance of those scattered afternoon and evening storms. But, yes, we see coming off the Yucatan, a 1,004 millibar tropical low. And all the global models have been very consistent with this idea for days. So credibility is fairly high. Now this is within 7 days. Let's go out there to the end of the forecast period, the middle of next week. This is Wednesday, the 21st of June. Trophic developing from the Great Lakes on south. And if there's something down there, that thing just might pull that thing northeast. We'll see. The GFS depicts the surface low over the northwestern Gulf. And then we'll go out. This is the GFS on Thursday, the 22nd of June, Thursday of next week. It pulls that surface low up into southeast Louisiana. And if by chance this happens, this could be a big wet down for the state out there toward the end of next week and, 10 to 15 days. But this is nothing but voodoo at this point. But the consistency has been there, so we'll keep an eye on things. Check the number is very consistent for the next 15 days. Highs mostly in the upper 80s and lows in the upper 60s and low 70s. That's the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. The late news coming after the NBA Finals late tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.